Okay, so you can see half the mask. That's what it looks like. Okay, and then the other half, is going to be, I have a little bit more I'm going to do on here. I have one more set of these guys that go on here.
Now, would you say with something of this shape, would it be easier to put the blue on the shape or on the mask?
Yeah, it's easier to put it on the shape, except that then you're going to end up with glitter all over your hands. So it's really just personal preference. I would personally put it on the mask, but you know, it's personal preference. It's whatever you're comfortable with.
I'm more comfortable getting glitter on my hands.
And
I'm not as
turn
good
it
as
over.
you
I'd say
yet.
flip it over. Flip it over and put the dots on it.
Just where it's
because it's wet, it's going to be a little harder.
Yeah, I'll wash my hands.
But you'll be fine. You'll be fine. She'll be fine. She's fine. She's fine. She's fine. Isn't it beautiful? Coming out gorgeous.
Oh. Let's use the knife tool. I like this knife tool.
Yes, it's they are so worth their money.
I'm going to put another one right below it, I think.
So just from a craft shop, Tammy, those knives.
I got them at my. You can use the craft store ones, but these are actually cake decorating. You know, ones for cake decorating. Yeah, I really, really love them. I have a lot of them because I use them when I teach.
I want one more. I don't think so. I think 2 is going to work. I need to brush some of that off.
Okay. Not quite what it was. Okay. Blue. Oh, this is just stunning.
Oh, that's right.
Oops, that's going to fall. I need to support that with something, I think.
Yeah.
Is there some...
Nope, that's not big enough. Hold on. Try this. Is that big enough?
Nope. Can we just ball up a piece of fondant or something?
I wouldn't use fondant. Paper towel.
Oh, like that?
Does that work?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go.
That was Joan Smith. Thank you, Joan.
I have a couple different sizes of stars here, so we'll just do whatever will stay on. There we go. Okay, and here's the moon. And the bummer is where to put it. This is where I want it. So pretty much, you know, just keep going. There basically is, you can't overdo it on these.
You can't mess up.
You can't mess them up, and you can't go too far. Oops. There just is no such thing. As you can see, the royal icing does have an issue with sticking to the when you've got luster dust on here. So just keep that in mind, that you're going to have to be a little more persistent. I am going to clean up the excess royal. All I do is take the tool and just get the excess royal off there. Cleans up pretty well. And then if I want to, I can come back later on and actually dust that with the blue, but I'm not going to. And here is the gold mask that I did earlier.
Oh, that's beautiful, Tami.
Thank you.